I welcome you on board, but do you know how to impress a German simply by formal politeness, especially when you are in the public life? Never ever use the word want to, like ich will ein Glas Wein, I want a glass of wine. The will is heavily impolite. Never use want to in German. Instead, use the word of können, like could I have a glass wine, please? Könnte ich ein Glas Wein haben? The combination of können plus what you want and a simple infinitive at the end is going to make you way more sophisticated and polite in the German society. If you want to know how to be polite in the German language, then check out the videos for free down here. And in any other case, I welcome you on board of the Easy German Grammar B1, specialized on the so-called conjunctive 2 clauses, the if clauses in English. Hallo, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, and Ni Hao. My name is Kevin. I'm your native German language instructor. I have been living and working in these places in Germany, most of the time serving as a German tank officer in the army, and abroad I've been teaching and living in 48 countries in total. For example, living in Mongolia, Senbano, in the mountains of Uzbekistan, living in Norway, we kan snakke litt norsk med hverandre. Or in Lithuania, and in Mexico, vamos a hablar español, as well as in Peru. Me gusta mucho la cultura en Latinoamérica, as well as in India, Dhanyavad, for the 5,000 years of Indian culture, which changed my life. In this course, you will not only learn how to be polite in German by using the if clauses, but with a great bonus, you will start into the B level with having a complete overview of all the cases in German and all their usages, as well as all the times in German and all their usages. For you to start freshly into the B level, all of this is done in only 12 units. But be aware, if you did not finish the A1 level yet or the A2 level, then please finish them before, as they are the base of understanding the B level. Check them out on your platform now, search them before you start the B level. I welcome you now for the first time back on board on your German language journey, and if you want to find out what the secret connection between German language and Vikings are, then join on board now and get into this course. Subscribe today for sharing the German language waves. See you on board soon. Bye.